I hate it.
No, not my favorite.
I hate it. Oh, they look so good. Like, that's insane. Go ahead, sister.
You first. We are so excited to be filming today's video because I love me some mascara. I think it completes my look. It's my favorite.
And I'm like a little, I don't know what the word is. I just love lash extensions. That's what I love.
Hashtag fake.
I'm fake. And it's because I don't have the best lashes. Like, you have like better lashes than I do. Anyway, mine are super short and stumpy and like kind of do this. And
they don't really curl.
Yeah. So, and maybe it's because I've had eyelash extensions for so long. I think it's definitely a little bit of both. But anyway, I've definitely been enjoying not having anything on my lashes.
I will say I like when you wear mascara. Even if your lashes aren't like it's a huge curl. I think it's pretty.
You like it? Okay.
But that's my opinion.
So I asked Ellie, I was like, I'm pretty sure I know what your favorites are, but grab 2 mascaras. I'm going to grab 2 mascaras, like a more high-end one and a cheaper one, and we'll see like what we come up with.
Got it.
So I think we should start with the drugstore one.
Awesome.
Go ahead, sister.
You first, little lady.
First, do you curl your eyelashes?
Never.
Okay, while you say your first drugstore one, I'm going to curl mine. And the only reason I'm curling mine is because, like I said earlier, the like effect just kind of tames them and tells them what to do. So go ahead.
Okay. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. My friend Allie Glines has talked about this a lot, and it's become one of my favorite drugstore mascaras.
Really?
And I'll show you. What I love about it is every mascara, if I wear it and it leaves black marks on my eyelids, I will never purchase it again. I've had many nice mascaras that I love, but they transfer and I hate it. So this does not transfer. I will show you the wand. It is a thick wand with a lot of fibers close together, and the formula is much more thick. Like, you can see the product on the brush, and that's what I look for.
Really? Okay, so you put that on your left eye, and I'll show them what I use. And I haven't tried a whole ton. I tried a few. This is the one that works for me. And I don't like them too thick. And that might sound surprising, but when you have thinner lashes, you can't have a super thick formula or it gets chunky. And I personally don't like that. Yeah. So my wand, so this is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. It's a fatter wand, and the bristles are thicker up at the top, thinner at the bottom, and there's not a whole lot of product that gets on the brush. So I'm gonna, her lashes look so good. I'm gonna apply mine on my left eye as well.
Any mascara I ever do, I do 3 coats. I do 1 coat, I kind of dip the brush again, I let it sit, I do 1 more coat, and I let it sit. And then the very lastly, I'll take my brush and I'll go behind my lashes, and I'll kind of grab them, and it lifts them straight up, and I like kind of curl it that way. So that's how I do my lashes.
Oh, they look so good. Like, that's insane. We'll do a close-up of like both of our lashes. That looks so good. That would like sell that mascara in a heartbeat. I do kind of the same thing. I'll put 1 coat on, let it dry a little bit, and then go in and put some more on, and I'll do that a couple of times. And like, I just put a second layer on, and while that dries, I'm gonna put my bottom lashes on. Oh my gosh, I have no lashes.
But the thing, like, I do think they're pretty though. Like, while you're doing it right now, like, they are pretty long. And you just got your extensions out. I bet if you give it till the end of the summer,
they'll look better.
And you start using this, like, you'll be surprised.
Aww. Well, thank you. Okay, thanks.
Because after I got my lashes done, I remember I was just like, I had none after I had gotten my extensions off.
Okay. Obviously, Ellie's are fuller and more dark. So. But that's okay. I thank you for like complimenting my little eyelashes. That made me genuinely feel good about them. And truly, you should be happy with what you have. Some people have big old thick lashes. Some people don't. Like you just
eyebrows. That's something that I've always been envious of.
Yeah. So just be happy with what you have and tell yourself that you like it. It's fine. They're good. Okay, let's move on to the higher end mascara. This is the Thrive Cosmetics brand. And the reason I like this is because it makes my lashes still thick, but with that silky look. Because sometimes you know how when you wear a lot of mascara, it has like that matte look to it. Yes. I like that this kind of is glossy, and I think it does that because it has serums in it that helps keep your lashes more healthy. So I just genuinely really like this stuff.
It's funny, our wands look similar. Like those two look similar, my two will look similar.
That's funny.
Wowzers. This has been my... If I repurchase a mascara more than 3 or 4 times, you know it's my favorite. This is probably my 4th or 5th mascara tube of the Superhero It Cosmetics. Oh, I love it. So the wand is similar to the drugstore one that I had, but if you look at it, there is so much more product caked on to the wand. Some people that will be a turnoff. For me, I was like, oh baby, that's amazing. I'm gonna get tons of product on my lashes. I can't wait. So I dip it in, there's lots of product on there, and the same steps. I go about 2 or 3 steps, and I like putting a wand up to my lashes, and if it doesn't give me tons of pigment payoff right off the bat, I'm not happy. Because you can build bronzer and blush, but I don't really love to build mascara. I want it just to be thick on my lashes, good to go. So I'm kind of funny that way.
And if I'm being honest, I've tried that mascara several times. I hate it.
No, not my favorite.
I hate it.
Why?
Because I feel...
It does that?
Because it clumps up on me. Like, it has like little balls on it.
Do you ever look at mine and think, oh?
No, that's the thing. I don't ever look at yours. I just can't do it. It just doesn't work for me. Like, I just don't like it.
And this is the beauty about makeup, is I've been this way where it's like, oh, I want all the products. I want all of it. They look so good and I want to buy all that. It doesn't work for everyone.
Yeah.
And that's what's kind of fun about makeup, is you just find what works for you.
Yep. And honestly, I think that's like what takes the most, I don't want to say time, but expertise for your own face is it's trial and error. You have to learn what works for you, what shades work for you, what doesn't.
Some people love having their makeup done for their weddings, pictures. I've never been one to love someone else doing my makeup because I know what I like and I know it works for me.
Yeah.
And makeup is fun for me, but sometimes for most people, I think it could be stressful and overwhelming,
Yeah.
So just have fun and play with it.
So for me, there's a huge difference between the drugstore and the higher end mascara. For me, like, look at the difference.
Oh, Thrive has got you, baby. Your right eye looks 10 times better.
You can clearly see a difference between this eye and this eye. This is the CoverGirl and this is the Thrive. So I always go for this one.
Wowzers. I do not see a huge difference with my drugstore versus more of the high end. This is the L'Oreal and this is the It Cosmetics. And I'm pretty happy with both of them. But I will say I can tell a little difference. And I like the It Cosmetics one a little better. Mm-hmm. So fun.
Yeah, I've never been one to be picky on my mascara. I think that there really isn't that big of a difference. But if you're looking for just that little then go with the higher end mascara.
And I am very picky with mascara.
So
this has been fun. This is fun to do this video together. I am blown away.
I'm sorry that I hate your mascara. It's fine. We still like each other.
I love mine.
And I'm just
Proof is in the pudding, honey.
Yeah,
look at
it. It's so true. I suck. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't checked out our custom clothing line, the link will be in the description along with the links to our products. Bye, guys.
Bye.